Okay, I have returned once more. I was very busy yesterday, so even though I did chart and stuff, I didn't trade still because I just couldn't be bothered. But I did chart. I just didn't have time to record. I was very busy yesterday. I had to do like 20 different things, and I had to go meet my homie because he's going on vacation for like 10 months. Anyway, AM session. Okay, just gonna do this. Right, so we're coming off of that, displacement, if you will, that move that created the at the time newest all-time high, right? And then we can see, okay, Asian session kind of looks like consolidation. London session is consolidation. 6 to 7:30. I mean, it literally. Okay, this is truly consolidation. And what does it does? It take the high, it take the low, and it takes the high again, and it takes the low. So I'm like, okay, bullish right now, but that could change. It goes up, doesn't give any fair value gaps, taps into this one, moves down, but it doesn't hit the 2R requirement, right? We can just look at that. Can just show you that, right? Oh, wait. Exactly 2. There you go. Never hits it. Right. And then PM session, we get this, and I'm already like suspicious. I'm like, there's just a price gap here, right? And there's nothing here. Okay, so it's just my firm, right? But okay, there's a price gap here. Whatever, put it on, right? And this one does hit stop loss, right? So that's yesterday. Right, this is real consolidation. This is actual consolidation. This is normal price action. This is real consolidation, my friend. And then 7:30, we take the lows, and then news drops. We take the highs, and it is an all-time high at that time. Comes in, takes all the lows again. Maybe actually on the hourly, you could say it taps in. Yeah, it does tap into a fair value gap, right? Goes up, right? And these I actually traded. And the funny thing is, I was in the gym doing all of this in between, like boxing Browns and what was the other one? It was the bicep drop set Browns. I was just doing this, right? So yeah, I put this on, right, and it gets stopped out. I'm like, oh, okay. And the funny thing is, like, yeah, at 10:20 New York time, I was like, oh yeah, we'll probably get like an invert fair value gap, and then it'll go in that direction of the whatever fair value gap that inverts the other one, or price action once the first fair value gap is inverted. It does invert, and I put another trade, but I do this one at like 0.3% risk, right? So it's like nothing, right? Stopped out, whatever, right? Comes up here, and then starts moving down, right? And then I'm like, okay, PM session, 1, 2, 3, 4 fair value gaps. I'm like, okay, so it's more than 2, so I'm not gonna take it from the second one because it's not a proportion block anymore, right? So the rules was that if there's more than 2, and as long as there isn't a gap creating another fair value gap, I take the first one. And I'm like, okay, sale, continuing to sell, it makes sense, right? Right? And, this TP is pretty small, so it keeps making sense. Because when you come here, get it, right? And this is just the hourly, right? I just don't mind all the fucking lines and shit. I'm gonna reset that right after this. But a lot of fair value gaps are here, man. Like, a little move down, yeah, that's cool. But I don't think it's gonna come all the way down here for a very long time, right? And then you go to the daily, we're just tapping into this fair value gap, bro. It makes sense, right? So that's that. Now, I would, no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't take this trade, but I'm just gonna put this on so we can see tomorrow what happens. I don't think it'll come up here, but It might. Who knows? Right. But yeah. Just gonna do this one like this because it's not real. It's fake. But yeah. It might come here at London or Asia, but who knows if it will actually go to the stop loss, right? And the question is, it needs to do it before London, because after London it's kind of sketchy. It kind of doesn't count. But yeah, let me just control. Can I? Yes, perfect. Move drawings. There we go. Now we have these. And charts look clean. Clean. Alright. No, but yeah, 2 days in one. We update this tomorrow. We see if this was a winner or this was a winner. My bet's on this. I don't really like this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna come take this low, and who knows, maybe reverse at some point. Maybe not. Who knows? But yeah. Yeah. One thing is for sure. We're crafting a market maker model. Boom. 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 But we're not really on the sell side curve yet. Maybe, maybe not. But and this is one of them, the big ones. And the question is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Who knows? Who knows? Could be like that that one I was trading. Yeah, this one. Where this is, you can see this is a market maker, right? And then you can take it up here, and you can even take it up here, right? And you can't take it up there, right? And it has a little smaller market maker model, and it comes in and it goes, and it just goes places. But yeah, this is probably something like that, honestly. And it will reverse and come create new highs, as it always does. Nasdaq gas pack. That's how it is.